Today I will explain you about creating and accessing packages in Java using VS Code. What is a package in Java? A package is a collection of similar types of classes, interfaces, and subpackages. So here the class consists of instance variables and methods. Interface consists of abstract methods and final variables. Subpackage also can contain some classes, interfaces, and still few more subpackages. So the packages contain acting as a container. Packages are used in Java in order to prevent naming conflicts. That means if a particular class is holding the same name, like two classes are holding the same name, then there is a problem. So I need to overcome the particular naming conflict. So we keep the same names could be in different packages. Then I need to just prefix the package name for the particular class or interface, and I can identify like this class is from so and so package. So I need to prefix the package name, and I can see that the conflicts of the naming is removed. Then you can control access. Control access implies the private, protected, public access for the class and methods can be written. And searching and locating and usage of classes, because every class is having their own name. So we can identify the particular class available in which package. And also the interfaces, enumerations, and annotations. Like annotation is nothing but some extra information about your class and interfaces. Now these all things can be that means the problems whatever you are facing with this can be avoided with the packages. Types of Java packages. Now we have user defined packages and inbuilt packages. Inbuilt are predefined packages. Coming to the inbuilt Java packages, here we have listed few. So we have a Java as a main package. Under that is subpackage language. Under that we have system class and string class, util package, array list, and mapping, map class, and AWT button class. These are only few classes we have written, but you have a number of classes in each and every subpackage. Now if you want to use system.class, we need to use java.language. If you want to use array list, we need to use java.util. We need to import this package. If you want to use button, we need to use java.awt. So like that the hierarchy goes. Now, how to create a package in Java? Now here package keyword is used to create a package in Java. So here we have a keyword called package. Now coming to syntax, we need to write package followed by the package name. So the package name is user defined, but this is a predefined keyword you need to write down, followed by a semicolon. Now for the example, package mypack. Mypack is a user defined package name. So here you can write anything, but followed by the semicolon and the package prefix, but the keyword is mandatory. How to create a subpackage in Java? Now again here also we need to use the same keyword called package to create a subpackage in Java. Syntax is package. Now this is becoming a main package name, dot subpackage name, dot another subpackage. It can go on. Now here we have put this in square brackets. That means it is optional. This one has also been optional. So if it is required, you can make it out. If it is not required, then you can only work with the main package. For example, I'm writing package. mypack1 is the main package. mypack2 is a sub package under that. And here also you can put some class and interfaces. Then this also should be termed with a semicolon. How to access a package in Java? Now till now we are seeing how to create. Now how to access also we need to see. So here we have a keyword called import. Now this is used to access the classes and interfaces which are stored in the package. Now coming to syntax, if at all I want to access all classes, interfaces, enumerations, and other types which are available in the package, I need to put a star mark, that is the asterisk mark I can put, and turn with the semicolon. So import the package name what you have created dot star mark or the asterisk mark followed by semicolon to access all classes and interfaces. Now I don't want all classes, I want only a specific class, so you can follow this syntax: import package name dot class name. A single class you can do like this, followed by semicolon. then you don't want to write import keyword, then you can use the third category called fully qualified class name. That means you can write package name dot class name everywhere wherever you use that particular class name. Coming to the example, you can see here you are writing import mypack1 is a package name. Star means all class and interfaces from mypackage1 can be accessed. Second example, if you want only one class, that is suppose a class called A is existing, you want to access only this, then you can write package name dot A. If you don't want to write this import statements, you can prefix the package name everywhere wherever you are writing the class called A here. So not only A, any class you want to use from mypack1 can be used like this. But this is little bit complicated because so many times we used to create an object. Then obviously in all places you need to prefix this one. So better to go for first one or second one. Depends on the requirement. Now, how to access a package in Java? The same import keyword is used for accessing a subpackage in Java. Syntax. Now here import the main package name dot subpackage name dot star. When you write star, it implies that you are trying to take the classes and interfaces from this subpackage only. When you go for second one, you want only one class which is available in subpackage. You can write main package name dot subpackage name dot the class name, only single class. Then you can write fully qualified class name also when you don't want this to. Example, if you want to access all the class and interface from subpackage called mypack2, then you can write import main package name mypack1 dot subpackage name mypack2 dot star. If you want to access only class called B which is available in mypack2, then you can write import main package name mypack1 dot subpackage name mypack2 dot B which is available under mypack2, that is a sub package. Then you can write fully qualified class name because B is available in mypack2, mypack2 is available in mypack1, so you need to write the hierarchy completely. Then the object name assigned with new mypack1 dot mypack2 dot B. Here also the complexity arises because n number of times you can create objects. So there, wherever you want to work with the class name, then you can go for writing this prefix. So better you go for first two. Now, what is the sequence of a program when you use package and the import and classes? So any point of time you want to create a package, that should be the first statement in your application. Followed by you want to import, in the same program you want to import some other package class and interfaces, that should be the next line. After that, whatever the class you want to write or keep inside a package, then you need to write. You can't write in another way. So first you need to check package creation is there or not. If it is not there, then you go for import. If it is also not there, class. Okay, so in this sequence you need to follow. Now we'll see the execution process of packages creation and accessing in Java using VS Code. So in order to work with VS Code, you need to open the software Visual Studio. So you need to have the software prior. Just open that. Now this is the environment for the Visual Studio Code. So we will create one folder, the project folder. So here, if I go for new file, here is asking for the new project, you can see. Then no build tools. And you can create one folder here, or any existing folders there you can select. I'm selecting X3 as a folder name. So you get a list here, X3. And right now there are no files. So I want to just show you how to create the package. And now here I'm creating one file. And I'm naming the file name as simple.java. Now here I will write, okay, already got a structure. Before that, I'll write package. I want to create a package. Let's say my pack. This is a package name. You can give any name. Then public static void main string arguments, and I want to print some statement to this system.out.println of new to packages in Java. Some statement we want to print. Just terminate. Okay, but I'm trying to put it to my pack. Just save this file. Now, how to compile and run this application? So you can see three dots here. You can go for terminal, open the terminal. You have a terminal option, new terminal. Now here it is going to give where you have saved the particular file, no, that folder it is given. Then go for Java C, compile Java C. Then -d for a destination directory you need to put. But I want to store into the current folder. I put a dot here. I'm giving the file name. Now in the same X3 folder, I want to not X3 folder, whatever the package name is there, no, this my pack. This folder will be created automatically for us, and in that only the class file will be stored, only class file. So here you are trying to create write -d for the destination folder creation, but dot is represents the current folder. Now the current folder is going to become my pack here because automatically this folder is created for you, and only the dot class file of simple.java is going to store. So as of now here we don't have any folder. Then later on once I press enter, you can see the folder here. So here you got my pack. That if you open the my pack, you get simple dot class. So dot class file is stored into the my pack. So because this is the package name and the folder name should be same. So when you type -d dot means you are going to create one folder with the my pack or the package name, whatever you're going to write, and under that only the dot class file will be stored. Now I want to run this program, so you write Java and you run with the prefix of the package name mypack dot simple. Now you got here new to packages in Java. So like this, you can execute your program. Now this is where only one class I'm writing, and that to main method also I've written in the same thing, and I put into the package. Now I'll show you with two classes how you are going to do. So again, go to the main X3 project folder, and here I'm clicking one new file. Okay. So I'm going to click here, and I'm creating a dot Java. Now here, before that, I'm going to write again package. Package I'm going to write as pack. Okay, and in this class A, I'm writing public void m1. It's up to you what all methods you're going to write. System.out.println m1 in method in A. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to write again one more public void m2. Then here m2 method in A. So a class called A, and that I want to put into a folder called pack, and two methods I'm putting, which is public. So save this. I'm not writing any main method here. I want to write in another class. Just compile the same procedure, Java C minus -d space dot space a.java, so that one pack folder will be created here, and a dot class should be stored inside that. Just press enter. So you can see one pack folder is created and a dot class is stored inside that. Okay. Now this is got compiled. Now I'm creating one more file b. So b.java, not in this, outside the pack you need to do. So Here you can write b.java, the root folder I'm creating. So here what I will do is, before starting this, I will write, I want to put this into the my pack only, my pack. So I was saying the sequence now. So first package creation, if it is there, okay, import. What I want to import here, pack dot star you can put, or you want to access class A, no, you can write A also. Okay. So in this, I'll write main method, public static void main string args. Now here I want to create an object of class A equal to new A. Okay. Then A dot M1 I want to call A dot M2. So two methods I was writing, right? I want to call this one. Now just save this. Okay. So when you see A.java, I'm writing M1 and M2, and B.java. Now this B.java I'm trying to put into my pack. Okay. But A.java, which is available in pack package, I want to access directly the class and create the object and call the methods. So here I will write. Now here you can see my pack is holding only simple.class. Now when I just compile, you need to get b.class also. Java C minus d space dot space b.java. b.java. Now if I open this one, we'll get b.class also. You can see, because I put my pack, right? And I'm putting dot here means current folder. My pack will become the current folder and you are going to save into that. Now I want to run this program, Java, and this is the class B, right? The main method is class B. So it has been stored in which package? My pack. So write my pack dot B. Then you can see M1 method in A and M2 method in A. Both the methods got executed and you got the output. So actually this A class is in package, but you are calling that into the class called B, which is under my pack. So this line is important for us, where you're putting a star mark, and the star mark implies all class interfaces, but here we have only one class called A. Then no problem, you can access. The same thing if I put A here, capital A, still your program runs. Just save the program and again you do the compilation as the same. Let me clear this, clear terminal. Now here I will type Java C. Again I'll just clear this. I'll open a fresh terminal here. Okay. Now here I will type again same thing, Java C space -d space dot space b dot Java. Then it's already compiled now with the fresh bytecodes. Now you run Java my pack, right? My pack is holding b.class. So my pack reference you need to give dot b. Don't put in extension. Still your code is getting executed. So here we are writing only single class. That's fine. Still it is working. You put star, it is working. I'll show one more thing. The third category, fully qualified class. Now I'll just put a comment here. Here I'll write pack dot a. Here also I write because A is available under that. So this is called a fully qualified class name. You need to give that. Then save. Again you will recompile Java C space -d space dot space b dot Java. So it's compiled. Now you write Java. Again same my pack dot b. Still it is working. So three scenarios I was showing. One is you put a star, one is you put a single class name, it's fine. you don't want this import statement, you need to write here the package name, package.a and so on. Okay. Now I'll show you how to work with the sub package. I'll just clear this terminal. Now I'll create one more file. I'll just close this. Okay. No, not in this. Here I'll create, let's say, some X5 as a package, or I'll create test as a package. Test, not this one. So I'll create something called, let's say, d.java. d.java. Now in this I'll put package mypack dot test. I'm putting mypack dot test and semicolon. Okay. Now we're in class D. I'll put public void m4, then system.out.println m4, and I'm going to store. Okay. So here the test is subclass, sub package, and mypack is a main package. Under that we are putting a thing called D. Then file save and just compile this Java C. Go to new terminal. Java C -d Java. So here in mypack we were having only two classes, but I'm creating a test, means here the test subfolder and sub package need to be created under this. We'll see whether it will create or not. Just compile and press enter, and here you can see a test subfolder is created, and under that we have D class. Okay. Now I'll write one more program where I want to access this one. So just I will go for this. And here I'll write simple one.java. Okay. Now here my work is only to import. So I'll write import mypack dot star is one where I want to access. I want to access the b dot class. So I put a star. I'll write import mypack dot test dot. The class was D, right? I'm writing only that, and I can write import pack dot star. So three things I'm doing here. In this I'll put public static void main string args. Okay. Now in this I want to take the class called a from pack. So I'll write a ob equal to new a, and I will call the methods like ob dot m1 and ob dot m2. Okay. Then I'll create the class of D. D is stored in subclass, no? This one. I want to use that. D equal to new D. D dot. What is the method we have written here? M4. So here I'll write M4. Okay. So that's all. Just save this and we'll check out whether it will work or not. Here I'm not using any package creation, directly importing. Then here compile the program Java C. This is not a package, so you can directly compile Java C simple one.java. Back a dot class. Okay. Class A. M1 and M2. File, save. And now it's got compiled. To put star also, you're going to get just file, save. Let's clear the terminal. Again, you compile. Okay. So here we put single class maximum. Now you can run the program like Java simple one. So you can see all 1, 2, and 3 are being executed here. So in this way, you can access from sub packages also. Okay, here I put sub package. Here is the main package, and here also the main package. So in this way, you can execute the packages from one class to the other class also. So you can create as well as you can access. So both the things are covered here. So I hope you have understood what is a package and what is sub package, how to create a package and sub package, and also accessing package and sub packages. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.